Hi, superstars. It is time for math. We are on lesson 8-9. Find the missing part of 10. We will find number partners for 10. Let's begin. All right, let's read our first problem. Use red and blue cubes to make two different trains. Each train should have 10 cubes. Use blue and red crayons to color the cube trains you made. Then write the missing numbers in the equation for each cube train. Okay, now your numbers might differ. As long as they add up to 10, you are correct. So I'm going to use red first. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to say 6 of my cubes are red. And now I'm going to get blue. And I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes blue. So my first cube train is made up of 6 red and 4 blue cubes. 6 plus 4 equals 10. On to my next cube train. Okay, this time I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 cubes red. So I'm going to add a 3 to my equation. And now for my blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of my cubes are blue. So my second cube train is made up of 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. All right, let's listen to our video.
What do you see in the picture?
Okay, what do you see? There's 3 red cubes, and some cubes are covered. Looks like an equation that equals 10, but has the numbers missing.
There are 3 red cubes and some cubes are covered. There is an equation that equals 10 but has a number missing. What does the number 3 in the equation represent? The 3 red cubes. What does the question mark represent? The missing number of cubes. The 10 represents the total number of cubes. Which color cubes were hidden? What is happening in this picture?
Well, it looks like the little girl is counting the blue cubes. And the blue cubes were the ones that were hidden.
The blue cubes were hidden. Jada is counting the blue cubes. What is the total number of cubes Jada has?
Well, if we count them, we can count 10.
Jada has 10 cubes. How many red cubes? There are 3 red cubes. If you have 3 cubes, how many more cubes do you need to make 10?
All right, let's try it. Okay, so if we have 3 cubes, how many cubes do you need to make 10? So we're going to drag cubes into the blue box to see. So if we know we have 3, it's showing us 3 red cubes in the red box. I'm going to count from 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 blue cubes plus 3 red cubes gives us 10.
You need 7 cubes. The equation 3 plus 7 equals 10 shows this. Now you know how to find a missing part of 10.
You did a great job.
Okay, let's go on and solve some more problems. All right, we're at number 1 in our guided practice. We're going to count the red cubes to find one part of 10. And then we're going to use blue cubes to find the number under the cover. And then we're going to write the missing number in the equation to tell the parts of 10. So if we look at our red cubes, we have 5 red cubes. How many more blue cubes do we need in order to make 10? So what we do is we start at 5, and we're going to add blue cubes until we get to 10. So let's start at 5, and we're going to count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now let's count our blue cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 5 blue cubes to make 10. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, now for number 2, we're going to count the blue cubes to find one part of 10 and use red cubes to find the number under the cover. And then we're going to write the missing number in the equation to tell the parts of 10. So if we look at our blue cubes, there are 9 blue cubes. We are going to determine how many red cubes we need in order to make 10. So if we have 9, we're going to start at 9 and we're going to count up. So let's start. 9. What's after 9? 10. So how many red cubes did we need? 1. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. All right, let's go on to number 3. Okay, we are at number 3. We're going to count the red cubes to find one part of 10. And then we're going to use blue cubes to find the number under the cover and then write the missing number in the equation to tell the parts of 10. So the red cubes here are 7. So we're going to start at 7 and count up so that we can see how many more blue cubes we need to make 10. So let's start. 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's count our blue cubes. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put a 3 here. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Those are the parts of 10. One part is 7 and the other part is 3. All right, let's go to number 4. We're going to count the blue cubes to find one part of 10, and we're going to use red cubes to find the number under the cover. And then we're going to write the missing number in the equation to tell the parts of 10. So how many blue cubes do you see here? 2. So what are we going to do? We're going to start at 2 and count up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count how many red cubes we added. 1. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to write 8. That is a part of 10. 2 and 8 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. All right, let's look at number 5. So for 5 and 6, we're going to count the straight fingers to find one part of 10. And then you're going to use your own fingers to find the other part and write the missing number in the equation to tell the parts of 10. All right, so let's count the fingers on number 5. So we have 5, 6, because one hand has 5 fingers, right? 5, 6, so there's 6 fingers pointing straight up. All right, so now I want you to do the same thing. Put up 5 fingers. We are now going to count to 10 using our fingers. So we have 6 fingers up. Let's put our other fingers up one at a time as we count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers did you raise up? 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right, we're going to do the same thing for number 6. Let's count these fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 fingers. How many more fingers do we need to get to 10? Let's count with our fingers. Let's start at 5. Put up your fingers as we count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers did you put up? 5 more. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Good job, superstars. You're doing a great job. I want you to continue working on your independent practice. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.